Okay, here we have a similar question. Here 6AB is there. Now here in this part you can find here there is 3A and here we are having 3B. So we are going to do the same thing over here. Okay, 6AB which is there. This I'm going to split it out. First I'm going to split this as 3A multiplied by 2B. Okay. So the first part which is there, I'm just going to write this part same as it is. X is equal to 6AB upon A plus B. Okay, this will be splitted as 3A into 2B. Upon A plus B, the denominator is remaining as it is. And then I'm going to bring this 3A down. So X upon 3A. This is equal to what is remaining here is 2B upon A plus B. Okay. Now this is X upon 3A. So for this part, I'm going to do componendo dividendo. Of course, for the right hand side also, I'm going to get what is there in the first part of this. I'm going to do the same thing for the second part to get the second part. Okay. Here what I'm going to do is 6AB which is there. This is equal to, because here 3B is there, this part I'm going to split it as 3B multiplied by 2A. 6AB is splitted in this way. Okay. So I'm going to write the same equation. X is equal to 6AB upon A plus B. Okay. This is equal to, now here it is splitted as 3B into 2A. The denominator is going to remain unchanged. Now I'm going to bring this 3B down over here. This is equal to 3B is gone down here. So 2A is remaining. Denominator is remaining unchanged. A plus B. Now for this part again I'm going to do componendo and dividendo. So I'm going to get X plus 3B upon X minus 3B, which is this part. Same thing I'm going to do for the right hand side. After doing componendo and dividendo for this part and doing componendo and dividendo for this part, I'm going to add both those parts. So I'm going to get on the left hand side, I'm going to get this. You have to simplify for componendo dividendo for this part. Simplify for componendo and dividendo for this part, and on the right hand side I'm going to add both of them. I want you to copy down this part first. The blue part you are going to copy down. You will do the operation of componendo and dividendo to get this first. The first part of this, what is asked, you'll name that as equation number 1. Then you are going to copy down the purple part. Then for this you are going to do componendo and dividendo, and then that you will finally what you get, that will be equation number 2, and then you are going to add both those parts and get the final answer. This is the part I am asking you to do on your own.